Monolith XLR Balanced Audio Cable. Experience superb sonic clarity, accurate musical reproduction, and premium cable construction with the Monolith XLR cable from Monoprice. Advanced cable construction is housed in an aesthetically pleasing nylon braided jacket for superior build and performance. The Monolith XLR cable ensures no signal loss, low distortion, and maximum transparency to the source. 3 different solid oxygen-free copper conductor gauges for best bass and midrange optimization. 24K gold-plated connectors for best electrical contact. Precision machined die-cast connectors for maximum durability. Litz wire conductors provide maximum treble definition without harshness. Low dielectric constant polyethylene dielectric on each conductor. XLR audio cable. Individual insulation on all conductors for maximum definition. Double shielded for lowest noise without compromising sound quality. Oxygen-free copper braided shield. Silver content solder joints. Aluminum foil shield. Top reviews from the United States. Make yourself a big favor with Monoprice Monolith cables. Judge for yourself. Everything I can say is wah. And please make yourself a big favor. Do not spend your money on cheap cables. Like I did on a package of 10x $40. And spend $41 each.